checking out some new properties. So 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Let's go check it out. Check out the outside first. Somebody left a semi in the driveway, I see. Huh?
I said, this boy got roaches.
Right now?
Yeah.
Alive in the winter?
Yeah.
Stop playing. I ain't seen a roach in ages.
I know, right?
He said,
You can say they all on the floor dead. Every time I go to the wall.
Yep, got our attention.
you said,
It's nice though, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't deal with roaches, so I see you in the car. Kids.
oh, roaches.
Yeah.
Well,
Sometimes they fly.
To exterminate.
Sometimes they fly.
Sometimes roaches don't fly, do they?
Sometimes they
I
do.
don't think so.
Yes, they do.
No,
I have
don't.
seen it
I
happen.
ain't never seen a
I
flying
have
roach.
seen a roach fly. Sometimes they fly.
That wasn't a roach then.
Yes, it was. Okay.
Let's see
okay.
this nigga fly. He fly,
You know
I give you
what?
$100.
He might not fly, but some of them fly. That's nasty, man.
Very nasty. Don't touch
That's
me.
where you lost me at.
Girl, go somewhere. They everywhere too.
Yeah, they dead everywhere. You see them?
Some of them ain't dead.
Like some of them ain't dead. I know. They need to be exterminated again.
Well, we done seen over 100 houses. This first time
I've seen roaches. Yeah.
For real. Though.
This
That's
is the
crazy.
nicest house.
It is nice though.
Like, this is really nice.
I mean,
This is the beginning to exterminate is empty. That'll be the first thing we do.
I guess.
Exterminators on deck.
You been upstairs yet? Well, haven't been in the basement yet.
No.
Yeah. Well, those biting?
Where?
Oh no, they would.
But it's 3. The ones downstairs do.
I will open up the attic, but a bunch of roaches might come out.
Yeah.
Let's see.
They don't. They probably got it there.
You think so?
But that's nice. That's a clubhouse.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Go in there.
But it's nice and clean. You just exterminate that too. The whole house.
How much it cost to get exterminated?
What? Not that much. Roaches.
I ain't never had
They
one.
had them bad.
I ain't
So
never had
they, what happened is they exterminated. That's why you see so many. But it need to be hit again.
That was my point. If they exterminated and they still here, so how do you get rid
Well,
of
they
them?
had them bad. You gotta hit them again.
Hit them again.
Hit them again and clean it up.
Let's go see the basement. They probably
And
down
they
there.
sitting here to eat off of. So they ain't gonna last forever.
Basement probably full of them, huh? Roachologist. I said, okay, roachologist.
I ain't had roaches in a long time. Seems like we've been somewhere seeing the radio.
The exact same radio. It was. You know where? It was that 2-bedroom on Joanne.
Oh.
Yeah, that you. Oh my God!
They're
Everywhere.
everywhere.
Don't touch me. Oh my goodness. You nasty. Did they scatter?
Damn, water bugs down here.
Damn, and they got the water bugs.
Hey, I ain't seen them in so long.
Yeah, I ain't
Yeah,
seen water
bugs.
bugs. I ain't seen
But
water.
it's so clean though.
How much is this one?
I don't know, but this would be a good one.
You chose some expensive houses.
Saw glass block windows. I like this one.
He got the big bugs.
Them water bugs, I ain't seen them bitches since the 80s.
Yeah, right. 90s. I seen him in the 90s when I lived in South Carolina. This house is
Expensive, but shit.
80,000. Why? This area popping like that now?
You gotta recheck the ARV.
Look at that one. He alive. He waiting. Antennas twitching.
But it's so easy to exterminate because ain't shit in here.
Oh, you got one in your back?
Do I?
No, I'm joking. Do I
I
though?
grew up with roaches though.
Make sure I ain't got nothing on me when we get in the, before I get in the car. I can't be taking a roach home. Can't be doing that. I remember my mama, right? Back when we lived in Georgia, she called herself being friendly and gave her friend, like she helped her friend move basically. And the TV had fell out the trunk. Like we was moving the TV, it fell. The roaches scattered everywhere out the TV. Got light. Not being scared.
Oh, no mechanicals, okay. But it's a solid house. But you gotta recheck the, cause you gotta recheck it, cause,
Anybody paying no
I
80?
mean, it's 55, 60 all day. We're
50.
lucky.
50.
50? That's it.
50.
This won't even take a lot of work.
Take a lot of roach getting rid of.
Yeah, extermination ain't gonna be that much. 100 or 200.
That's it.
Hit it once or twice.
That's why it didn't work. $100, $200. Once you get the painting and cleaning up stuff though, they just scatter.
You can buy the shit. You can buy some.
Yeah, I've seen how. Now we have been in houses that had them little bombs, them little spray bombs.
But that shit you buy from the store ain't it. You gotta get the some what they use to exterminate. But I got that exterminator.
I don't see no cracks in the wall nowhere. The ceilings are kind of short. But anyway, I was gonna say once you get to spraying that kills everywhere, they gonna scatter regardless. They ain't gonna be around that.
Well, the extermination part, that's the easiest thing to do.
Well, obviously we would do that. Yeah, we would do that. Yeah, we would do that first, clearly. But we're gonna look in the backyard.
We had to first we had to come to an agreement on the price. I love this one.
For the
I have to figure out the max.
This kitchen.
What we had to do.
This kitchen little as hell. But this living room is big as hell.
I know. You can't wind it up a little bit.
You can knock that wall down. Knock that wall down for sure.
I want to come to here.
Damn man, I done lost the key.
Well, that's a good way to get the house.
Yeah.
That's a good way to get the house.
See if they take the offer. What the key? Bro, did I give you? Right there, where the soffits meet the gutter rather. I don't know. Backyard straight too. But it's a lot of brickwork needed back there too. Garage gonna need, look at this. Oh, they're gonna meet her, right? Oh no, that's the old one. I don't know why I say here.
That's not too bad. The floor is too bad.
It's leaning though. The garage is.
You got some stuff bird in the garage that you probably ain't got to get.
I got who?
Some stuff on the garage.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take it to Chelsea. The roof new and the brick. Just need it just need to be painted. Honestly, I'll paint this one.
Paint who?
I'll paint this house black.
Gotta match the roof.
It's real match. It's burgundy, black match anything. Bad. Like the floor. Nice, decent. Got the tile done. Not bad. I like this one better than the one with the roaches.
Really, it's a little smaller.
This one's bigger.
It's a little more petite.
This one bigger. What's wrong with you? Want the roaches? Remember it had the tiny little kitchen?
Why you leave the kitchen about on turn?
But you was in there to get them in case you get out.
Oh, well, this is a nice little kitchen.
So way
You
bigger.
have to leave it like it. You have to leave it like it is. That
Way bigger kitchen.
That'll make it cheaper though.
It's a good sized kitchen.
These tiles are fake, bro.
Huh?
It's ugly, but it's a good sized kitchen.
Yeah, like it is.
What you mean by like it is?
Like,
These cabinets are old. The countertop's fake.
well, I'm saying without taking down the wall.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe
You don't need
knock
to
this
take
light
that.
down and just put a hole in there. You know what I'm saying? Let me take this out and put a hole in here. I don't know. But this is nice. Nice little table. Stage it maybe with a table.
I don't, you don't really see big ass windows like that in the kitchen.
I know, that's beautiful.
You just looking at your neighbors though.
You ain't got a good view or nothing, but
Nah, you just got a big
this
window.
This is a nice thought process.
Yeah, big window. See your ugly neighbor's bathroom straight too.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. Floors. Got one fake odd color tile. It would be very simple.
Yeah.
Oh, that's upstairs. Hold on. This a big. Oh wow. Some nice doors. The doors are very nice. I would love to keep them like
Got
this.
some wood 6 panel doors.
The wood.
You about to paint them though.
I would like the wood. Though. You gotta paint them.
Got a little shed situation back here.
Yeah, no garage.
No gas.
No garage.
Just cement.
We got brand new
Smoke
detectors everywhere.
Is that a
Everybody
brand new
start
fan? Is that a brand new fan?
Yeah, that's a new ceiling fan. They got smoke detectors in every room.
Well, they ain't put new light fixtures in. They got new windows. Well, they gonna put new carpet up here already, so it must be.
I think they started working on it.
It probably was a rental. Well, the carpet is new here. This is old. That's new. I like this color too. They ain't put no padding on it. Hard as hell.
So now this is all for nothing.
Exactly. Unless you can pay somebody to put padding under.
No, but it's still not matching going downstairs.
That's true. So yeah, off from that. You can probably put this downstairs or something.
But this is a simple fix up here.
Yeah, just paint. Paint the carpet. Oh. Oh wow, what is all that? That's supposed to be like some type of insulation.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Let's see this basic plan.
It's a shame that you gotta pull up this good looking carpet.
Oh, we use it for another area.
Still not count 80. Sure.
Ain't gotta paint the floor.
Ain't got no clean out. That's gonna say.
Ain't gotta clean it. That's saving a couple.
$2,000 right there.
That's saving a couple thousand. The floor actually probably do need a touch up though.
Huh?
The floor do need a touch up.
Yeah, of course.
Ain't no hot water tank or furnace. That's about 3,000.
$3,000.
Yeah. The hot water tank 500. The furnace 500. That's 1,000. How much they charge to put the hot water the furnace in? He charged what, $600, and then he charged so maybe not like
Well,
2,000.
How did you?
Like 2,000.
Equal.
The water is off. Well, it might be on. It's cut off. Well, no, it's wet, so it must be on still. Let's see. Oh no, I ain't gonna do it. They're gonna shoot out. Shoot out like a. It's a big, huge crack right here, though. It ain't that big a deal. I don't see no water marks. I don't see no other cracks though. That's the only one.
Not paint this tub.
Yeah, I would keep it because them bitches is a headache. Get that done.
Hey, come with money.
Molded.
But it might need some new plumbing.
Yeah.
Maybe not. There's some packs still through here though. No. There's some packs.
It is some. This is pretty simple. Pretty simple.
You have to count.
Yeah, I will.
Cause I still don't see no more than 120.
Nah, some houses sell. We see houses sell for more 150, 180.
Yeah, but I mean, we can't.
So the cops, that's
we
the.
can't do nothing super special than this, but make it clean.
Yeah, you make it clean. Get these walls. I would change the color to gray. The floor.
Unless we finish the basement.
Ain't nobody doing all that.
I'm just saying, like, what could make it stand out for like a 130
A dog kitchen, as I always do, and a dog bathroom, as I always do.
I know, but it's gonna be nice how it is.
3 to 5. You can buy a garage. I mean, technically you got one, or one car.
mean, that's a nice help though. At least you got somewhere to put your stuff.
I wonder though, honestly, I wonder would they consider that a garage? Cause like, what's the definition of a garage?
I mean, a car could fit in here if it was
Hell
wide.
yeah, if you change the doors. Actually, a small car could fit in there with them doors. I don't know. Might have a garage. One car. It's just a different shape garage.
This is, I mean, it's a nice help. It's a nice help.
And you could definitely drive. It's a big, huge
So
back.
this would be nice, man. No grass to cut.
Dakota gonna have to do all these cracks though. They're gonna say something about them.
No grass to cut that. Ooh, I love it.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind my backyard like this.
Exactly.
I got like almost an acre, and it's a headache.
Easy to put a basketball court.